EMT back with you. It was in the kitchen making some food and my alerts were going crazy. I had to come check it out. And of course, this is when we cry because we were right. So you can see the market did pop out of that little descending triangle. And, you know, we were right up in the mix of that, you know. As you remember, we got the indicators, so everything was kind of working out for us. And then it came back down and we were like, you know, let's just get out because it's not going fast enough. We wanted it to do this bang, 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 but it went bang, bang, bang. Create like a little mini W double bottom within a 1 minute, but most importantly a descending triangle, and then popped out of it. So, you know, back around here we got volume here. This is the last time we had this big volume in this area we sold off, so I would like to see us pop out of here, pull back down to it, hold it, and then rally up. Going to the 5 minute, we saw this going on, and we wanted it real fast, and we had this little doji, so in a 5 minute, you know, kind of a little whiplash, we got out. Here we go again, and on a longer term frame, which we're getting another signal. Yeah, we're half in this candle here, and yeah, you know, remember we were saying, like, oh, I can go here, and then it can go what, and so we're in that transition here. You know, the big buyers are coming out, but, you know, it's already moved, so this is a good video on why you should not get in after it already moved, because it's already kind of too late, you know what I mean? Oh, well, the trend is up now, so let's just get in there, but you know what? You could have gotten it when it was a lot cheaper, but you were scared. And look at this bloody mess. How bloody was that? We were all up in that junk making money. And now we got this little peanut here forming. Like, what? Those are little locals. And then there's the sharks, the big red guys. And the red is the blood from the little locals. You know, they were blue, and then the guys came in slaughtered, so they got all red. You know, just major whiplash over here, but, you know, had to tune you back in here. Because now we can officially take a break and relax, because 10:20 is about to hit, actually. What am I talking about? 10:20. What a garbage. Galaxy Nexus brand new phone. You can't even get clear pictures here. But 10:20, for some reason, huge reversal time zone. Oh, and see that? Roby's like, yo, what up? What's going on here? Was it 10:20? Even some of the mass merchants like Walmart. Okay, there's the pullback that we were talking about before. You know, you'll stare at these charts long enough, you kind of get a feel for what you like to see. So we did see it hit that 200-day moving average, which we don't really. No, actually, that was the top of the massive descending triangle in a 1 minute. But it is a 50-day we have here. This big red line, which is we're under it, which isn't positive. But you know, we're stabilizing above it. And this is that big volume where I was saying last time we wanted to watch. These are some big boys that came in last time we sold off of it. So, you know, we don't want to be trading under it like we are now. And you certainly don't want to get caught up in that. Then it's going to be trouble. So not looking too great here now. Prime example of why we don't get in after it's already trending. You know, and the little local guys, you know what's happening to them? Boom! Remember, they were blue, and now they're getting sliced. They're getting diced up in there. They're getting cut up because they don't want to listen. They just want to buy when it's looking good. But you know what? Smart money can't make money that way. So whatever you want to do, here's perfect advice. Perfect advice for a veteran 28-year-old trader. Been trading 55 years. Whatever you want to do, whether you want to buy going long, you know, or you want to buy a put going short. If you don't have much money, great ways to trade is with options. That's how I started. But you know, do the complete opposite. You know what I mean? Oh yeah, Goldman looking good. Look at it. Yeah, look at the big. They're big now. They're big and they're green and the locals. Yeah, they're awesome. And then yeah, okay, I'm long. I'm in. But you know what? It's like woo. There's your downside risk. You know, because where are you going to put your stop? Right under here? And then it's going to come down and knock you the hell out. Like it's about to probably do to all these other little locals in there. You know what I mean? Like when it's selling downward, I'd rather have it crash and then buy if it breaks this candle. Then buy if it breaks this candle. Buy it, it did. But it went whiplash. That's your time to say, do I want to play or do I want to get out and take a loss? And then it does this and then you get stopped out because you got in here and saying, oh, if it gets any lower than here, at least there's my risk. And you know what stops you out? And then immediately reverses to this monster. You know, but that's why you gotta stay in it and say, hey, I'll do it, I'll buy here, I'll get stopped out, or I'm gonna just sell it, it's not moving fast enough. Does it again on this candle, we start to see it form, okay? I want to get up in there, and then it moves up to here and I'm out. And then we miss all this, but you know what? You gotta have some kind of strategy. You know, here's classic at what we're seeing with these stops, probably getting triggered out the gazoo over here. So we're just we're hanging 10 here, 1020, and we did reverse. 1020 reversal, classic. I called it a 1018, and we're starting to see it now. Normally, what we see now is we'll see this guy try to get back up to this area. So everyone's like, oh, it's really not that bad. So this is like the second call. Like, hey, do you want to get out and not lose your butt, or do you think it is going to go higher? You know, I don't know. It could actually go crazy from here, but past experiences, you know what I mean? I think there's going to be some more blood. You know, we try to test this. You know, this candle came out. I try to get back to this big level. You got to look at these volume levels. You know, like where did the big volume come in? You know, do you want to be involved when you're seeing these, or do you want to be involved with all this little guy? You know, what happened was it's going down, and you're seeing this big volume. Do you really think that sellers just all selling as it's going down? No. Those are big boys starting to accumulate because they're like, dude, nobody wants it? Sweet, I'm getting in there. You know, they're getting up in there and they're piling in. Supply, demand, bang! Product delivered in my bank account. Bitch! So we're gonna go, we're gonna go take a break now. I'm not seeing much here. Amazon is now on here. Remember, we were just on our first video for today. People were going crazy about that. The traders were on top of that. But they're giving you long-term things. You know, who's Warren Buffett? Who's got Mills to be playing with all that? Alright, signing off. Catch you later.